Ever wondered what the most popular foods in America are? Today, we're going to take you on a delectable journey, counting down the top 10 most loved American dishes. The anticipation is real, and the flavors are countless. Stick around to find out what tops the list. Starting us off at number 10 is the classic apple pie, an enduring symbol of American tradition, a sweet start to our list. Sliding into number 9 is the iconic hamburger, a staple of American cuisine, a savory favorite that's hard to resist. At number 8 we have the crispy and delicious fried chicken. It's universally adored across America, a finger-licking good choice. Coming in at number 7 is the ever-popular pizza, an irresistible staple in American cuisine, truly a slice of heaven. Number 6 on our list is the classic American hot dog, a staple at sports events and barbecues. This savory delight is a ballpark favorite that hit a home run. Getting into the top 5 with BBQ ribs, they're the heart of American BBQ culture, a smoky and saucy delight. Number 4 brings us the coastal favorite, the lobster roll. East Coast's beloved, it's a seafood sensation. Seafood lovers rejoice. At number 3 we have the versatile and delicious tacos, Mexican cuisine's influence, epitomized in a fiesta in every bite. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the juicy steak. America's love for this delectable cut of beef is simply undeniable. Truly, a carnivore's dream. And finally, at number 1, we have the undisputed king of American foods, the hamburger. Nothing embodies the spirit of American cuisine quite like it. Its dominance is felt in every diner, drive-thru, and backyard barbecue across the nation. Satisfyingly simple yet infinitely adaptable. The reigning champion of American cuisine. So there you have it, the top 10 most popular foods in America. From apple pie to the iconic hamburger, we've journeyed through a delicious list. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring the diverse tastes of America.